Out with your brother? At 2 in the morning? Did you two start a secret bakery or something?
We were fixing his car, Jada. It broke down by the river and he needed a hand.
You could have texted. You know my brain runs marathons when you disappear.
Phone died.
There's this invention called a charger. You might have heard of it.
Jada, come on. We were in his garage. I didn't realize the time.
It's not just last night, Rick. You keep disappearing. No heads up, no nothing. Who's Stacey?
What? She's just a friend from work.
You got a thank you goodnight message with hard eyes from Stacey? Who the hell is Stacey?
She's just a coworker. We were finishing up a report.
A friend from work sends hard eyes at almost 1 in the morning?
It's not like that. We were finishing a project. She was thanking me, that's all.
And Stacey? She just happens to text you after midnight?
Stacey is just a friend from work, I swear. She needed help with a report.
A friend. With heart emojis.
Those are from the team chat. Look, group photo, presentation, nothing secret. That's all it was. Dinner ready yet?
Go make Stacey cook for you.
Come on, Jada. I'm hungry.
Then you better call Chef Stacey.
You serious right now?
As a heart attack.
Wow.